From boring to beautiful, transform your large with these landscaping tips. A large yard presents endless possibilities for creating an outdoor space that is both functional and visually appealing. With the right landscaping and ideas, you can transform your yard into a stunning oasis that will enhance the beauty of your home. This article will guide you through the process of an outdoor design that maximizes the potential of your large yard and helps you create a space that is perfect for outdoor living and entertaining. Assessing your yard's potential. Understanding your yard's size and dimensions. Analyzing the existing landscape and potential challenges. Identifying the focal points and key areas for improvement. Designing your outdoor space. Creating a comprehensive garden design plan. Incorporating functional areas such as seating, dining, and recreational spaces. Utilizing natural elements to enhance the overall aesthetic. Incorporating water features and lighting for added ambience and appeal. Maximizing curb appeal. Choosing the right plants and trees to beautify your yard. Enhancing the entrance with an inviting pathway and front yard design. Ensuring a balanced and visually appealing exterior. Implementing creative garden ideas. Creating themed garden areas for added interest. Incorporating vertical gardening techniques to optimize space. Designing a sustainable garden with native plants and eco-friendly features. adding unique elements such as sculptures, bird feeders, and garden art to personalize the space. Transforming your yard, before and after. In conclusion, the transformation of your large yard is not only achievable but also immensely rewarding. By following these landscaping tips and harnessing your own creativity, you can create a garden that boasts both beauty and functionality. A well-designed outdoor living area will not only enhance your own enjoyment of your space, but also significantly increase the curb appeal and value of your property. So, grab a pen, start sketching, and let your imagination run wild as you embark on this exciting journey of garden transformation. A large yard can often feel overwhelming with its vastness and lack of structure. However, with the right landscaping tips, you can transform your yard from boring to beautiful, creating a stunning outdoor space that you'll love spending time in. In this article, we will explore various outdoor design and landscaping ideas that will help you bring your large yard to life. From creating outdoor living areas to enhancing curb appeal, get ready to embark on an incredible garden transformation. Designing outdoor living areas. One of the key aspects of transforming your large yard is to create functional outdoor living areas. This can be achieved by dividing the space into different zones, such as a dining area, a lounge area, and a play area for kids. Use landscaping elements like pathways and hedges to define each zone and create a sense of flow. Incorporate outdoor furniture, such as comfortable seating and dining sets, to make the space inviting and comfortable. enhancing curb appeal. Curb appeal plays a crucial role in the overall beauty of your yard. Start by focusing on the entrance and create an inviting pathway leading up to your front door. Use a variety of plants and flowers to add color and visual interest along the pathway. Consider installing outdoor lighting to highlight architectural features and create a warm ambience during the evening hours. Adding a welcoming front porch with cozy seating can also enhance the overall curb appeal of your home. Incorporating outdoor decor. Outdoor decor plays a significant role in transforming a large yard into a beautiful outdoor space. Use decorative elements like statues, fountains, and garden art to add personality and charm. Consider installing a pergola or a gazebo to create a focal point and provide shade. Hanging baskets and potted plants can also add a touch of greenery and enhance the overall aesthetics of your yard. Maximizing garden beauty. To maximize the beauty of your yard, focus on creating a well-designed garden. Start by selecting a variety of plants that thrive in your climate and complement your overall design theme. Consider incorporating different heights, textures, and colors to create visual interest. Use raised beds or garden borders to define different areas and create structure. Regular maintenance, such as pruning and weeding, will keep your garden looking its best. Outdoor makeover, garden transformation ideas. If you're looking for a complete garden transformation, consider these ideas to take your large yard from ordinary to extraordinary. Create a water feature, such as a pond or a waterfall, to add a sense of tranquility and serenity. Install a fire pit or an outdoor fireplace to create a cozy gathering space for friends and family. Build a pergola or a covered patio to provide shade and shelter from the elements. Incorporate a vegetable garden or an herb garden to add functionality and beauty to your yard. Consider adding a play area for kids, complete with swings, slides, and a sandbox. Transforming your large yard into a beautiful outdoor space requires careful planning and consideration. By incorporating these landscaping tips, you can create an inviting and functional yard that you'll love spending time in. From designing outdoor living areas to enhancing curb appeal, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the challenge and let your creativity guide you on this journey of creating a stunning garden transformation.